Okay, now there is one use of present simple tense. You actually use it whenever you want to talk about your daily routine. Basically, daily routine is something that we call repeated action. Repeated action means you do it every day, right? For example, if I say every morning I wake up at 6, so this is for every day. So, what you guys are going to do, you are going to tell me your daily routine, and this is your working day routine, not Sunday. The working days like Monday to Friday. So whatever you do on working days, you're going to tell me about that. Yes, please.
Uh, I wake up generally early morning,
Yeah, generally I wake up early in the morning. Focus the sentence.
and then I take my breakfast.
Yeah, take breakfast is okay, but better English is I have my
I
breakfast.
have okay. And after that I have my breakfast.
Good.
I go to office,
Okay.
attend my
Try to connect your sentences. After that, I go to office and attend some meetings. Say that. I go to office.
I go to office
and attend some
attend
meetings.
some meetings,
Then
and then I move back to my home.
I come back home.
Come back home, and spend my time with my kids.
Good.
And after that, after dinner, everyone go to
Yeah,
bed.
everyone goes to bed. Now just
Goes
try
to
to
bed.
add some connecting words. Instead of using only and, you can say then, you can say after that, right? Once I finish my dinner, I watch TV, something like that, right? Next one, please. Your daily routine.
I wake up every morning at 7 o'clock. Then I take a shower. Then I prepare myself to go to office. Then I
Now just use then use after that, then use and, right? So like that, yeah. After that,
after that I come back to home.
I come back home.
Come back home. Then I take a lunch.
Then I have some lunch.
Then I
have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner.
Then I have some lunch. Then I prepare myself for gym. Then I go to gym. And after gym, I come back to home. Then I sleep at night, 9 o'clock.
Okay, I go to sleep at 9 o'clock. All right, let's go on. Yes, please.
I wake early in the morning.
I wake up.
I wake early in the morning. Then I go to masjid for Fajr prayer.
I go to the mosque.
I go to the mosque
Okay.
for Fajr prayer. And after, then I come back.
Then I come back
Then
home.
I come back home and reciting Quran.
Yeah, and recite the Holy Quran.
Recite the Holy Quran. And then prepare for gym.
And then I get ready to go to the gym. That is better.
And then get ready.
I get ready.
Then I get ready for
to go to the gym.
To go to the gym. And after gym, I come back from gym. Then I take my breakfast. After that, I am sitting with my family.
I sit with my family.
With my family. Discuss some family matters.
Good.
About 9:30, I go to my office, and then I then attend some meetings.
Good.
And 4 o'clock.
At 4 o'clock,
I come back to home.
Good.
And take some lunch and like this.
Okay, you can use the word supper.
Supper.
In the evening, we call it supper.
Supper.
No, supper.
Supper.
Supper is the meal which we take between lunch and dinner. Evening time, 4-5 o'clock.
Supper.
We call it supper. Supper.
Supper.
Okay.
I have supper. Then I watch TV.
Good.
Some geographic and like this.
National Geographic channel,
channels.
right.
And then I go to for prayer, Maghrib prayer.
Yeah, I go for Maghrib prayer.
Maghrib prayer. After Maghrib prayer, I go to my mother's home.
Good.
for meeting. For
Okay.
meeting,
I go to my mother's home to meet her.
to meet her. To meet her. Then I come back and pray and go to masjid.
I go to mosque
I
to
go
offer
to mosque
the
for
prayer.
Isha prayer. Then I come back and take dinner.
Have dinner.
Then I have dinner. After dinner, I prepare for sleep.
I go to sleep.
I go to sleep.
Okay, that's very good. Yes, please, your turn.
I wake up early morning and I get ready my children to school.
No, I
For school.
prepare my children for school.
I prepare.
Prepare. I prepare
I
my
prepare
children for school.
my children for school.
Good.
Then I 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, I take breakfast.
Yeah, I have breakfast.
I have breakfast and my children. Then my children go to school.
Good.
Then I clean my home, and at 11 o'clock I take a class, gym class.
Yeah.
Then I 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock my children is come
My children come back from school.
back.
My children
My children
come back
come back
from school.
from school. Then they eat lunch.
They eat lunch.
Then they eat lunch. Then they ready for tuition.
They get ready
They-
for their private tuition.
They get
Ready
for
for their private tuition.
their private tuition.
Private tuition.
Private tuition. Then when 1:30
At 1:30.
at 1:30, my big children is
Yeah, my eldest son
my
or daughter.
elder children come from school
Good.
at home. Then
Okay, that's fine. So just summarize the activities. Now tell us, what do you do at night? Few things. At night I make dinner and all that.
at night I take a dinner and I have dinner with my children. Then I sit with my children
Okay.
and they at 7 o'clock they go to sleep. My children
Okay, that's
Cool.
good. Very nice. Thank you. Now listen, for breakfast, lunch, dinner, you should use have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner, instead of using take breakfast and all that. And when you are talking about series of actions, for series of actions, you can use and, you can use then, you can use after that, you can say right after that. So there should be a variety, because if after every sentence you are adding and, it's going to be somewhat boring for the listeners.
What would be the sequence of using these connecting words?
Anywhere, it's all up to you. For example, if I say every morning I wake up at 6 and right after that I shower and then I go to the mosque to offer prayer. At 7 I return and then I have my breakfast, and once I finish my breakfast then I go to my classes, something like that. So once I finish, after that, and so there should be a variety of the phrases and all that. Alright, so you can use present simple tense to talk about your daily routines, and we discussed your daily routines, first form of the verb. This is how we can do that. Thank you.